Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 live images compared with Galaxy S25 Ultra. New official teaser hints that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature a dramatically slimmer and lighter design. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 live image leaks. Leaked Z Fold 7 poster shows how crazy thin it is. First time I see a poster leak in the factory. Samsung will launch its 7th generation foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and the long-anticipated Z Flip 7 FE at the Galaxy Unpacked event. Samsung's Summer Unpacked event is scheduled for July 9, 2025. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip May 7th come with free Google AI Pro perks as S25. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 will measure 158.4 by 143.1 mm. The thickness of the device will be 3.9 mm. Galaxy Z Fold 7 will also have thinner bezels around its inner display, roughly 1 mm. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to sport an 8.2-inch inner AMOLED screen and a 6.5-inch outer AMOLED display. This premium foldable smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to house a 200MP main camera, along with a 12MP ultra-wide lens and a 10MP telephoto lens. For selfies, a 10MP, 4MP front-facing camera. The device is expected to be backed by a 4,400 mAh battery. Supports 45W charging via USB Type-C. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.